This is the Axkid Minikid 4 Max in the beautiful new forest green colour, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install it in the car. I have already got videos on the Minikid 2, the Minikid 4, but this one is a little bit different because the previous versions had buckles on the ends of the tether straps, but the new ones now have little hooks. So let's go into the car and I'll show you how it's done. All car seats up to 125 centimeters and 36 kilos, as this one is, use rear tether straps. And to make this video a bit faster, we have already installed them before we started, but I do have a video on how to do that and I will put a link in the description. Before I install the seat, I always like to pull the recline bar out as far as it can go. So you squeeze this lever, it will just go down and click into place. You now place the Minikid in the car in back-to-back contact with the front seat to maximize the child's legroom. If you have a smaller car with the front seats a bit closer, you are allowed to put the seat like this with minimal legroom. But obviously the further forward the front seat can go, the more room the child will have. And you are allowed to place it with this yellow line here on this block on the edge of the seat. So even this is still a little bit further back than it's allowed to go, but that yellow line is not allowed to extend past the edge of the vehicle seat. You now open the zip, lift up this panel, and inside there is a green seatbelt clamp, which you then open and the belt goes through there. Then pull out the seatbelt and give yourself enough length to be able to reach the other side of the car seat. I always like to take the buckle tongue to the opposite corner and then double it up, and then I know I have enough length. Then pass the belt buckle tongue into this green hole, pull it through here, open the clip and pass it through to the other side and out through this green hole on this side and plug it into the buckle. Then push down on the top of the seat to remove all the squidge from the vehicle upholstery and pull the seat belt like this until you've got a lot of tension on the lap belt down here. Take the other hand and hold on to that belt, maintain the tension. So I'm holding this belt really tight so that there's no slack here in the bottom, and then I'm locking the clip just by pushing it down and snapping it shut. And then just close this panel, fasten the zip, tuck the little zip, the yellow tab, away under this grey bit of fabric. So before I fasten the tether straps, I just want to show you the new Minikid's hooks that are on the end of the tethers. If you're familiar with the previous versions of Minikid, so the 2 and the 3 and the 4, they had buckles. The new ones now have hooks. And to attach them to the straps at the bottom, I always do the one that's in the middle of the car first, because if you do the outer one first, you won't be able to reach the other one. So this is the hook on the end of the tether strap, and this is the ring on the lower tether that hook has got to be attached to. And you do that by pressing this button, you pull the strap out and then hook it onto here. And then when you let go, you'll hear it retracting back in here. So these tether straps are self-tightening. And then this one again, it might be a bit easier to see now. You press and hold that button, pull the strap down, and then grab this ring and hook it on and let go. And then to retract the tether straps fully, all you need to do is give the seat a little push until it touches the back of the front seat. I'll go quiet now so that you can hear the retracting happening. And now that the tethers have been tightened, it's time to do the leg. So I'm going to go into the footwell. You extend the leg out as far as these retaining straps allow, and then press this button. The leg will extend down to the floor. You push the leg down until that button pops back out. And then the final step is to attach the side impact block. This side impact block has a grey plastic bit on the back here that slots into the black bit on the side of the seat. So you put it in like this, and then you turn it 90 degrees until it locks into place. So that's how you install the Axkid Minikid 4 Max in this beautiful forest green colour, which will be available in the spring. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you soon.